a road where the horizon never ends. Sunrises paint the sky, every mile a brand new friend. Border crossings and small town diners, there are landmarks. Rock's Moto's our name, in the open air we stand. From the city lights to the rolling hills so grand, every turn, every twist under the open sky we understand. This motorbike's my home, wherever I roam. With Rock's Moto I'm alive, where the adventure comes home. Rock's Moto's a name, on the highway we claim. Wherever the road takes us, we'll ride with the same aim. Under the open sky, we're free and we roam. Rock's Moto's our guide on this endless journey home. Through rain and through the sun, we ride without fear. Rock's Moto's our spirit, in every gear we hold dear. Small town diners, roadside bars, they light up the night. Rock's Moto's the story in every new sight. From the city lights to the rolling hills so grand, every turn, every twist under the open sky we understand. This motorbike's my home, wherever I roam. With Rock's Moto I'm alive, where the adventure comes home. Rock's Moto's the name, on the highway we claim. Wherever the road takes us, we'll ride with the same aim. Under the open night, we're free and we roam. Rock's Moto's our guide on this endless journey home. Rock's Moto's the name, on the highway we claim. Every sunrise a memory, under the open sky we stand. Under the open sky, we're free and we roam. Rock's Moto's our guide on this endless journey home. Rock's Moto's a name, on the highway we claim. Wherever the road takes us, we'll ride with the same aim. Under the open sky, we're free and we roam. Rock's Moto's our guide on this endless journey home.